Continuing on with our CSS, you'll remember that in the actual HTML we nested things so that our logo was in its own div, our buttons were in their own section, and our tagline was in its own independent div. These two images become the first and the third children of the parent menu bar section container. Using this knowledge and what we've just seen with the nth child selector, we can now add the following two CSS rules which will target both of those images. You'll notice, however, that these are slightly different to the ones above in that they have a small chevron here. This chevron means target only the immediate children, whereas a space will target any div down the document tree, irrespective of how many levels underneath the parent it is. By taking our rule definitions from the original ID-based definitions already present in the document, we can now position our menu logo in the position where it was previously, and we can position our tagline in the position where it was previously. Why do it this way, and what's the difference? The difference now is because of the nesting and because of the hierarchy in HTML5. These children and children rules can now be specified mostly just by changing one tag and or one CSS element when moving things around, or including that section into a different document. If we now go back to our style sheet, we can remove the empty styles, and as you can see, we've lost a large amount of the overhead that we had in previously, and things have become much more streamlined. All we are left to deal with now is the actual parent container and our logged in user text rule.